Hi guys, welcome back to another video, MKTEK HD. So, today we have a new sort of video, AppleCare. Is it worth it? A lot of you around the world may know that Apple have a warranty service where you can send in your Beats, your iPad, your iPhone, your Mac even, although the Macs are slightly different, to Apple for repair or replacement. 9 times out of 10, these devices are replaced with factory remanufactured or Apple certified replacements. So just looking around the box here, there's a new part number on here immediately. I showed you guys earlier in the Apple bag just for sort of giggles really. That these things do look new in the white box. When I'm opening up the packaging here, I'm not seeing anything obvious to even describe the product, just another part number. Sliding off the transparent film, similar to that of the iPad, and trying my absolute best with my arm in the way to actually shake these things out of their case and not damaging the Beats, which I don't think they would be because they're in a very, very nice velvety bag, which you don't get when you buy a pair brand new. Now, a lot of questions I've seen surfacing around the internet and quite a few places in the past especially is, are they refurbished? Well, what we're about to find out is something different from Apple. These don't have any stickers. These are replacements. I immediately pointed out some scratches. I don't know if that's just my pair, and the reason why I say I don't know is because this is my second pair of Beats Studio 3. The first pair came to me in a much worse condition. I don't know what's wrong with the Beats Service Centre. They actually all go to the same place in the UK. 9 times out of 10 they get sent up to Lutterworth and are inspected by Unipart Logistics. So it's actually a sub-company again of Apple. It's not a Genius Bar representative looking at your Beats or iPhone. However, even in the store, the process is to depot repair. So I've actually saved myself time by phoning up Apple. Just looking around here, I was immediately sort of blown away by the condition of the Earcups. They were brilliant. But those scratches they're just tiny. It's nothing major, but the hinges on the inside were perfect. Now, due to the current threat of things, would I recommend AppleCare? If you have AppleCare, yes, or AppleCare Plus, but you have limited warranty as well, which is now slowly getting a rebranding to the AppleCare. Looking at this pamphlet, it says, hello, we've diagnosed all troubleshooting steps and decided a replacement pair enclosed is necessary. Now, you don't get this all the time with Apple. In fact, there's a little story coming up on my channel soon where I've sent my iPhone in a week ago during the middle of COVID-19 and it's come back unrepaired. But we'll get to that later. So guys, they look okay. They look more or less new. I was a bit annoyed at the scratches on the logos. There's nothing you can really do about it. Anyway, peace. Take care. Bye-bye.